The National Puerto Rican Day Parade in New York City was everything. All of you made it so much fun again. We received over 200,000 likes and taps, over 1,500 views, 682 visitors, with an average about 400 visitors for the whole entire live. My flat family was representing hard, and I received over 200 new friends. Let me take this time to tell you all about Life with HLuiz. It's my brand new YouTube channel. I'm about to reveal a big announcement there, but consider subscribing today to get all my best content. On this channel, you'll find my travel tips, exploring destinations, favorite restaurants, gastro tours, and my travel experiences. Join my brand new channel, Life with HLuiz. My HLuiz press content, where I cover the National Puerto Rican Day Parade and all the fun we had, plus all the press tours for my magazine, Eat Your Colors. You'll also get my food tours and my international destinations. Here's your heads up. I love Mexico. Let me show you how I make my 4C salad. And you know I'm gonna hook you up with my home cooking content. But let's get back to this Puerto Rican Day Parade. You all truly made it very special. There was piña coladas, there was that, there were dainos, there were some old friends, there were some new friends, and lots of entertainment. Hey. I'll show you all the highlights. I'll show you the celebrities like Mr. Elvis Crespo. And y'all remember Curtis.
That was like 35 years ago.
So please consider subscribing to Life with HLuiz. I will tell you that Bad Bunny was there.
Did y'all see Bad Bunny?
But let's go back to the very beginning. This is my third year in a row doing press for the National Puerto Rican Day Parade in New York City. And it's always so fun. There were people rehearsing, setting up, getting ready. Puerto Ricans to my left, to my right, everywhere, child. I met all of these beautiful performers. They were awesome. I started to see that the VIP stands were starting to fill up, and it was filling up quickly. This older woman looked so beautiful. Huepa! I was in the press area by 9 a.m., and the spectators behind me and in front of me were here since 7 a.m. Some told me they got here at 6 a.m. Let's go. The first honoree I saw was Amanda Serrano. This boxing champion is talented and beautiful. Amanda Serrano, la campeona of the National Puerto Rican Day Parade 2025. You can catch her live on Netflix Friday, July 11th, out of Madison Square Garden, right here in New York. Then I saw the talented actor Luis Guzman. His acting career spans over 40 years. Luis was born in Calle, Puerto Rico. Huepa. Luis Guzman, the king, El Rey of this year's National Puerto Rican Day Parade. Aguas Buenas of Puerto Rico was representing hard. The parade was also honoring the Puerto Rican community of Atlanta, Georgia. Banda Escolar de Panuelas was representing too. Let's go! Ooh. You better get out their way. Look how beautiful the Puerto Rican flag is. Que bonita bandera. And you know we love a Puerto Rican flag with the original light blue color. Olga Tañón, this year's queen of the National Puerto Rican Day Parade, makes her debut. She has 2 Grammys and 3 Latin Grammys. Mira que linda. Gracias. Olga Tañón, la reina of this year's National Puerto Rican Day Parade. And yes, she can still get it. Aquí hay muchos pájaros. Wait. They are beautiful. And do you see those coquis back there? There they go. They are cute. Coquis! Coquis! Okay. And you know I love the flowers. Just the energy and the vibe of the entire National Puerto Rican Day Parade really is everything. Come on, Puerto Rican Rainbow Pride, I see you. Jose Alvarado was there with his family. He is the athlete of the year. Jose Alvarado plays for the New Orleans Pelicans. Did you see these beautiful, adorable little princesses? I can't. Nassau County, New York came through. Come on, Puerto Rican Pride. Mira quién está ahí, mira eso. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, our political superstar and voice of the people at the National Puerto Rican Day Parade, as she should be. She's here with mayoral candidate Zoran Mandani. Pero ese ritmo, that's what's up. We love you. Con la mano arriba, con la mano arriba, con la mano arriba. Yes! The Acacia Network marched in full force. And look at this. Look at this. Come on now. Yes! I hope you can feel the energy. I was feeling it all day. Míralo ahí. I saw Dean Huertas. He is the influencer of the year. He said he knew who I was. He's too kind. I definitely know who he is. I love his content. Dean Huertas, influencer of the year. Oh my goodness. Could it be? Is that? It is. It's a big head Bad Bunny. Tira más foto de cuando te tuve. There he go. There go Bad Bunny. So here's the thing. There were many people impersonating Bad Bunny. Not fun stuff like this, but real people impersonating Bad Bunny. Lookalikes, fakes, imposters. And the crowds were going crazy as if it was Bad Bunny. I don't think that's cool. And I heard on Bad Bunny's Instagram that he was not really feeling that. And we, as the adoring public, cannot force artists to make appearances. But there goes the real Mario brother. Ooh, there goes the Puerto Rican princess, Jocelyn Hernandez. Yes. It was so funny. The people behind me kept saying, Cardi B. And I'm like, The kids were getting it. Some were as young as 6. Huh? I like red. Why his dreads gotta be so close? Okay, frat boys. And this concludes my 10 minutes highlights of the National Puerto Rican Day Parade 2025. I want to give a special shout out and thank you to all of the National Puerto Rican Day Parade sponsors.